Analysis recipes are a framework for automating anything that you can do in Voyager. This includes any data manipulation, creation, or analysis task. I'm Andreas Bastian, co-founder and head of product here at Lumafield. Voyager supports two types of analysis recipes: global analysis recipes, which are available to every user in Voyager, and custom analysis recipes, which are assigned on a per workspace basis. Custom analysis recipes are for automating more specialized workflows. To learn more about custom analysis recipes, reach out to your Lumafield solutions engineer. Let's take a look at the Auto ROI recipe, a global recipe that leverages Atlas, Lumafield's AI copilot, to generate best fit ROIs for every object in a scan, whether there's one object or many objects. No matter how many objects are in the scan, the recipe will isolate each one into an oriented ROI. We can run a recipe either from Voyager or from Neptune. In Voyager, I can run the Auto ROI recipe by clicking the Recipe button and then selecting Auto ROI from the dropdown. I can then click Run, which will run the Auto ROI recipe. I can follow the recipe's progress by clicking on the actual recipe object in the data panel, where I can see a progress bar. I can follow the progress spinner next to the recipe in the data panel, or if I navigate to the project dashboard, I can follow the recipe's progress on the project tile, and I will get a notification when the recipe has finished processing. I can also select a recipe directly from Neptune. I scroll down to the bottom of the scan setup workflow and select a recipe from the dropdown. After my scan is complete, it will automatically be processed according to that recipe. In addition to automating DOEs and repetitive scanning workflows, analysis recipes can be deployed to Tritons, Lumafield's fully automated production scanners. This makes it easy to develop an inspection routine on a lab-based Neptune and to deploy it to a Triton on the factory floor without taking down production resources. To learn more about recipes and Auto ROI, visit lumafield.com.